Okay guys, so this video is definitely not a voiceover. However, I recorded an outro, but your girl forgot to record an intro. So I'm actually doing my intro now. Yay! Anyway, if you're new here, my name is Alethea, and I thank you for joining me on this channel. And while you're here, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment before you leave. So, I just want y'all to take notice of me messing with my hair. This day, my hair was very limp and lifeless, which goes to show I am not a person that puts oils on my hair, but it goes to show that even without putting oils on your hair, if having sister locks in your hair gets old, it can get that greasy look and feel.
All right, y'all, so I am back, and as you can tell, I am still getting my voice back. I'm still trying to get my voice back. I still have a bit of a cold. I'm still coughing, but it is definitely not where it was. So I'm definitely feeling a whole lot better. So we're getting ready to go out, and today is the day after Thanksgiving. Today is the day after Valentine's Day, and we didn't get to go out on Valentine's Day. We don't get to go out on Fridays unless it's like pre-planned, and we made some arrangements due to other obligations that P has on Fridays. So therefore we are going to eat, and we're going to see the photograph. Now let me be quite honest, P really wants to see the photograph, but I don't. But we're going because that's what you do. You make sacrifices and go see things and do things that you don't want to do when you're with someone. So that's pretty much how that goes. But I probably may just end up really liking the movie. And I just feel like right now, like it's going to be one of those cheesy movies, I guess you could say. So hopefully it won't be though. Hopefully it won't be one of those cheesy movies. So of course I've done everything else to my face. I do have to go back and bronze again and put on me some blush and all that kind of good jazz. So, but I have powdered my face and sprayed my face. So for today, I don't know why I haven't pulled this out in a while, but I'm going to use the NDK Naked, which one is this? The Naked Heat palette, and I have several in their collection of palettes. So I'm going to use this palette today though. So for my lid, I'm going to use this color Cayenne right here. I'm just going to put Cayenne all over my crease, not lid, all over my crease. Oh yeah, that's a payoff. I didn't realize it was gonna pay off that much. So I kind of probably put too much, but I am going to work with it. So put it in there, get a little bit more. My plan was to actually, this video was actually supposed to be me doing a recreation of someone else's look, but that is not happening because of my time. So if I'm going to do a recreation of someone else's look, I have to have a little bit more time. Did go over my brow bone with the color Chaser right here. So what I'm going to do now though is I am going to go into He Devil, this color right here. I'm going to go into He Devil, and I'm just going to go into my crease a little bit more. To go in the corners of my eye, or the outer corner of my eye, with Infuego. That's this color right here. No, that's Ashes Infuego. I'm going in with Infuego right here. I'm just going to concentrate this color right here in the corner of my eye. So I think I'm going to start, I don't know yet, I think I'm going to start coming in with some as I want to call them, student chronicles, because sometimes my students have some conversations that it's like, oh boy, I really would love to share it. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with this color right here called Dirty Talk. But sometimes they have some conversations that it's like, my God, I need to share this. I need to share this. Y'all have the slightest idea what I'm gonna put on. I just decided I wanted to use this palette, so now I'm gonna have to try to, well, not match up what I'm going to wear, but you know what I mean. Oh yeah, I do like this. All right, so now I do want to go in, there's this color Lumbre right here. And I want to take Lumbre and I just want to go over Dirty Talk. Okay, so I think I'm going to be done with the eyes for now. At least with my top lid, I need to, let's see, do I want to do a liner? Yes, I want to do a liner. Let's see, what color liner? Where's my black? Let's do black. We're gonna go back in with that color He Devil. I'm gonna put that on my bottom lid. And so now I do need to put some liner on my top lid, and I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid liner. And I didn't tell y'all, I am back to using my Fenty 350 for my foundation shade. Kept trying to use all those other shades, and 360 works, but 360 makes my face look a little flat to me. And 370 was definitely too dark for me. So, and y'all know 385 was that summer tan color. So I have it, and as long as it's still, you know, some good, and it should be because I haven't had it that long, but when the summer comes, I'll pull it back out. For my bronzer, I'm just using this Model Shimmer Bronzing Powder. I'm contouring with this actually. It says it's a bronzer, but I use it as a contour color. I actually got this in a BoxyCharm box, and I will have my BoxyCharm box info coming up on my premium and my regular base box. And yeah, with the way the box has been, and I'm not pleased this month at all. I'm not going to talk about that too much in this video, but I will share that with you all when I do this unboxings. Well, it's technically not an unboxing because I've already unboxed them and I talked about it on my Instagram. So if you are not following me on Instagram, my Instagram is in the description box below. So check me out over there on Instagram. I do okay with posting. I'm trying to do more with posting. So for my blush, I'm going to use the Construct by Shayla and ColourPop, the Under Construction. So I'm going to put this on. Then when I went to Sephora to get that sample of that 370, friend that works in there, she did end up buying me that Fenty new mascara. She said she owed me because I had got her a birthday gift, and I was like, no, you don't. But anyway, she bought it for me, but I didn't like it. So I did get this Benefit. That's what I'm using right here. This Benefit Bad Gal. I got a sample of it from Sephora, I believe it was. And I was like, oh my God, I really like that. So when I didn't like the Fenty that she bought, I took that back. And I got the I got the full size of the Benefit. I had to pay a little bit extra because, of course, she works there, so she got the discount. So when I took it back, I had to pay a difference. So it was only a $7 difference, but it wouldn't have been that much of a difference had I, had she not been able to get it on a discount. So anyway, but I do like this mascara. I am going to put on lashes tonight. These are a pair of lashes that I've used, and I'm just going to reuse them, and here they are. I do need some more lashes, and I want to order lashes in like a bulk order. But I want to get them online, like from Amazon or something like that. But the only problem with that is, y'all, some of y'all might not like this. You might not like this when I say this, but I really, really, really am not a fan of those lashes that look like freaking caterpillars and stuff on people's eyes. I think that's so ghetto and tacky. It's just my personal opinion. I just don't like them. And I just like a nice lash. This right here is long enough for me, so I like a natural looking lash, or a lash that's just like not too long, like I said. And sometimes, I mean, these people look like they have bugs crawling on their face and on their eyes, and it's not for me. It's just not for me. So when I'm trying to order lashes in like a bulk pack off of Amazon, I really cannot tell what they look like, and I don't want to mess around and spend my money and get something that I'm not going to wear. I'm trying to see which lipstick I'm going to wear. I know what I want to wear. So I am back, and I really, really, really wanted to put on my Ruby Woo, but I cannot find it. I'm going to use 2 liquid lipsticks for this look, and the first one is a cream lipstick called Cherry Skies, and this is from the NYX Liquid Suede. I don't know. I have 2 Ruby Woos, and I can't find either one of them. So I'm going to use this one to just kind of like line my lips. And then for the center of my lips, I'm going to take my lipstick Afrique Matte from Juvia's Place. And I'm just going to put this in the center of my lips. It's really bothering me that I can't find my lipstick. I almost look vampy like this. So here's the completed look. Please let me know what you think. I kind of just have on this striped like tan and black shirt. I have on this little necklace, and it's my shirt, and I have on some high-waisted black pants. I was gonna put on a red and gray shirt, but I ended up changing to this right here because with the red shirt, I really don't have a jacket that I could wear with it that wouldn't take away from it. You know what I mean? I think that's what I think this, but anyway, that's neither here nor there. So I ended up putting this on. So yeah, I'm fine with what I have on. That is it for this one. So go ahead and leave your comments down in the comment box, in the comment section below. Like, subscribe, and share this video across all your social media sites. And please do know I do have a P.O. box now that's down in the description box. So if you wanted to ever reach out and send me anything or what have you, that P.O. box is down there in the description box. And you don't have to send me a message asking for my address, because I've given people my address to send me things before, because they'll be like, what's your address? But I just kind of like took that out of the equation. And I'm sorry I have gum in my mouth, but I kind of just took that out of the equation and bought a P.O. box, so you won't have to go through all that. So anyway, it's there if you would like to send me something. So yeah, I'm rambling now. So until the next time and in between time, you ladies and gentlemen be safe, and I will do what? See you in the next one. Bye.